So yes, girl, it's a fun roller coaster or whatever. This is the ferry. Sorry if I can see my face. And this is the thing. It came with this purple one. Actually, yes, this purple, this yellow, and this blue. And it also came with these fairies, which are the riders. So this for turtle. Sorry if you can't see. This purple bird and this skunk or whatever. Yes, and it came with this one, and it also you need to press this button right here. Yes, so it's time. Okay, the riders are ready, so let's take this one first. Turtle. There. This one next. You know, they actually have their ride. So I have this one so they could come around there and just go there. Over there. It's so fast. That's so yummy. Press the handle and they go up like that. I couldn't. You can't really see them. So I could also do like this if I want to. Oh wait, this one's not working. They're not working so much, but I think they're kind of messy or what? This is the second time I got you, little ladybug. Oh, I can take them up just wait. So I got them up, and yes, as the fairies are already there, taking care. And yes, so up. So not again. You're kidding me. You cannot do that for sake. You cannot. Just like close. Now they're going fine, and we just take them by twos. Now they won't fall down, and maybe they're quite okay. Now this turtle is almost gonna be ready for the flight, but when they around here they go stop. I'm sorry if it's okay. It's almost done to the table, so I just like it. Oh, there's a swing there. This one, and this one. There's a fairy legs. Now I'm going to press this button, and it will go up. And it was that one. And it stays right there. Wait for a moment. I say go, and it goes. So, yay! See, I told you it's up there because about this or this one, I think so. No, let's go back. So it's just like that. Yeah. So yes. So Fairy says bye bye because I'm very sleepy.